Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Crexi for deal finding, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.crexi.com. Once the page loads, locate the sign in button in the top right corner. Click on the sign in button to proceed. If you already have an account, enter your email and password in the provided fields. If you don't have an account, look for the Create Account link. Click on Create Account to start the registration process. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. After entering your details, review the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to these terms. Next, click on the Sign Up button to create your account. You may receive an email confirmation. Open your email inbox and find the confirmation email from Crexi. Click the confirmation link in the email to verify your account. Return to the Crexi website after confirming your email. Now that your account is set up, click on the Sign In button again. Enter your email and password to log into your account. Once logged in, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features. To start finding deals, navigate to the search bar on the homepage. Enter your desired property type, location, or specific criteria. Hit enter or click the search icon to view the results. Filter the results using the options on the left sidebar to refine your search. You can save your searches by clicking the Save Search option. Feel free to explore different listings by clicking on them. Review the details and documents provided for each listing. If you're interested, reach out to the listing agent through the contact information available. Congratulations, you're now ready to authenticate with Crexi and start your deal finding journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.